million colors, and not one of them boring. The Govee interior car lights transform your cabin with 4 RGB LED strips, each coated in silicone for a smooth, diffused glow. Controlled via app or button, they sync to music, shift in real time, and let you build custom DIY effects, all powered by a 12-volt outlet. Installation is peel and stick, and the lights are bright enough to turn any night drive into a rolling light show. For just $30, your dashboard becomes a dance floor. Dents don't knock, they just show up. That's why MATCC magnetic car door protector strips slap on in seconds, shielding your paint with high-density foam and a no-residue magnetic grip. Each strip folds for storage, clings tight to steel doors, and absorbs impact from careless parking lot neighbors. No adhesives, no tools, no excuses, just clean, removable protection that works. And at under $20, it's cheaper than one trip to the body shop. Static is the sound of a car stuck in the past. The Nulaxy KM30 brings your ride into the now with Bluetooth 5.0, a 1.8-inch color screen, and a built-in mic for crystal clear calls. It plugs into your cigarette lighter, broadcasts to your FM radio, and even lets you tweak bass and treble on the fly. Dual USB ports, one quick charge 3.0. Keep your devices powered while you drive. At just $24, it's the smartest upgrade you can make without opening the dash. When you brake, the world should notice. The OPT7 Redline triple LED tailgate light bar packs over 1,200 LEDs into a 60-inch strip that handles brake, reverse, turn, and hazard signals with sequential precision. Its IP67 waterproof housing and plug-and-play install make it a favorite for truck owners who want visibility without compromise. The bar mounts cleanly under your tailgate and lights up with a solid beam that cuts through rain, snow, and fog. At $138. Independence shouldn't stop at the curb. ATC Wheelchair. Accessible trucks re-engineer full-size pickups like the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra with powered lifts, lowered floors, and driver-side entry for seamless mobility. Each conversion is NMEDA approved and built to handle both manual and power chairs without sacrificing power or payload. Whether you're driving or riding, ATC makes sure the journey starts with dignity and ends with freedom. Pricing begins around $80,000. Some mats just lie there. This one fights back. Black Armour bed mats are forged from half-inch thick vulcanized recycled rubber, precision cut to fit your truck bed like armor. They weigh up to 100 pounds, resist oil, water, and chemicals, and feature a checker plate texture that grips cargo without shifting. Made in North America, each mat saves 6 tires from landfill and comes backed by a limited lifetime warranty. At $292, it's the last bed mat you'll ever need. The climb into your truck bed shouldn't feel like a gamble. The Torklift Central is a tailgate-mounted adapter bracket designed for the stow-and-go step system, turning your tailgate into a stable, foldable ladder. It supports up to 325 pounds, installs with basic tools, and folds flat when not in use. Glow strips and adjustable legs keep footing secure, even on uneven ground, at $75. BMW's factory-installed wireless charging pad for the 530e iPerformance uses inductive technology to deliver 3.2 kilowatts of power at 85% efficiency. A ground pad aligns with an underbody receiver, guided by the infotainment screen, and charges the battery in under 4 hours. Weather sealed and monitored automatically, it's a seamless solution for daily charging. The system is priced around $3,000 because luxury should never plug in like an appliance. Every trail writes its own blueprint. The Thorburns Modular Ute Canopy is built from 3mm 5005 aluminum, TIG welded and CNC folded for strength without weight. Gull wing doors, whale tail compression latches, and an internal channel nut system let you reconfigure shelves, mounts, and lighting on the fly. It's dustproof, watertight, and ready for rooftop tents, recovery gear, or full-blown overland builds. Starting at $10,504. No power? No problem. The Bushranger XJack lifts up to 2 tons using nothing but your vehicle's exhaust or a standard air compressor. No batteries, no hydraulics, just pressure and precision. Weighing 9 kilograms, it's ideal for sand, snow, or mud where traditional jacks fail. Its triple-layer top and reinforced base keep it stable under stress, and it inflates in under a minute. At $459, it's the quietest, dirtiest, most brilliant lift you'll ever carry. 20 cabins, 1 truck, 0 excuses. The ROM Flexi 55,300 mounts to a pickup bed and combines a 550-litre vacuum tank with a 300-litre clean water supply powered by a Honda petrol engine. It services up to 20 portable toilets per day, all while staying under 3,500 kilograms. No special license required. Compact, rugged, and city street friendly, it's built for tight jobs and tighter deadlines. Pricing is available on request, but the payoff is measured in uptime, not dollars. Forget ramps, forget guesswork. The Lock and Level single axle system uses air pressure to lift and level your caravan up to 15 centimeters in minutes. No jacks, no blocks, just a 12-volt pump and a smart design. It folds into a compact bag, weighs under 5 kilograms, and works seamlessly with through-the-wheel locks. Precision leveling and security, all in under 5 minutes. At $150, it's the calmest setup you'll ever do in a storm. Some tailgates close, this one opens possibilities. The Elongator tailgate ramp system replaces your factory tailgate with a 2-foot steel extension and dual 6-foot aluminum ramps that support up to 700 pounds each. It locks at 180 or 210 degrees, integrates with your truck's wiring, and folds flush when not in use. Ideal for loading ATVs, mowers, or lumber, it's a full upgrade in under 10 minutes. The complete kit lands at $2,150.